Hello and welcome. In today's video I want to show you how to clone the whole disk with all your data, including Windows. Let's go. To do it we will need special software. I will use a program called SSD Copy. All the links will be in the description. Then click here Free Trial. Now install the app. Now you should connect to your PC a new disk which you want to clone Windows to. The capacity of your new disk must be the same as it was on a previous disk or higher. As you can see in my case, I have Windows installed on a disk with 256 GB of capacity. This local disk C. Also, as you can see here, I have some important files, such as an image, an important document with important information, and a video. Now open the app. If you want to clone your Windows, you should select System Mode. As you can see, it automatically detects Windows 10, which is installed on my disk. And now you must select a target disk. A target disk is the disk which you want to clone Windows to. In my case, this is X-ray disk, 256 GB. Then I click Select, then press Next. You should remember that all data on the target disk will be erased. So if you have some important data on the target disk, it will be better to copy it to another place. Then press Proceed and wait until it ends. The speed depends on the capacity of your disk. And now you can automatically adjust the boot order to boot from the current target disk, or you can set the boot order by yourself later. I will set it as automatically. Then press Reboot Now. If it doesn't set automatically, you can do it manually. For example, in my case, on MSI motherboard, I need to press F11 button during startup. And here I must select my new X-ray disk and press Enter. And the system booted successfully. Let's check it, and yes, it's working well. Now we have the whole previous disk copy on the new disk. Let's check my files, and as you can see, it's all in the previous place. And all your apps, games, etc. will stay on the same place also. The app has other features. For example, you can install a fresh Windows 11 on new disk and migrate your data, applications and settings to the new system. Also, you can create an emergency disk. It will help if you don't have access to your Windows operating system. That's how you can simply migrate Windows from one disk to another. If you're interested, all links will be in the description. If this video helps, press the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. See you later.